Good evening, everyone. I'm Sai Nair from Kirin Advisors. I welcome you all to the virtual roadshow of Clear Secured Services Limited. Today, we'll provide a brief overview of the company and its innovative business model. So, Clear Secured Services Limited is a nationwide integrated facility management and security solutions provider. Offers end-to-end soft services, hard services, security infrastructure support, telecom infrastructure, and business support operations. So, from the management side of the team, we have Mr. Vimal Dhar Lalta Prasad Dubey, the chairman and managing director. Welcome to the roadshow, sir. We have Mr.
Thank
Rakesh Dhar Dubey, the whole-time director.
yes,
Okay. Along with other team members. Yeah, welcome to the roadshow. From the management side of the team, we have Mr. Rajesh Sharma, the vice president from Horizon Management Private Limited. Yeah. So let's play a short AV of the company.
India's integrated services industry, spanning facility management, security, telecom, and infrastructure, is on a strong growth path. It is projected to expand from 70 billion US dollars to over 150 billion US dollars by fiscal year 2030, driven by urbanization, the rollout of 5G, and technology-led outsourcing. This transformation is creating vast opportunities for organized, tech-enabled service providers like Clear Secured Services Limited. Behind every successful organization lies a silent force, one that ensures safety, efficiency, and trust in every operation. That force is Clear Secured Services Limited. Founded in 2008 and headquartered in Mumbai, we have evolved into one of India's most trusted names in integrated facility management, security, and infrastructure solutions. With a network of 17 branches across 15 states and 2 union territories, and a workforce of over 2,800 trained professionals holding PSARA licenses in 11 states, we enable organizations to focus on what truly matters, their growth and success. Over the years, Clear Secured Services Limited has earned the trust of leading corporates and institutions across India, including Hitachi Payment Services Private Limited, Diebold Nixdorf India Private Limited, Euronet Services India Private Limited, Indus Towers Limited, Financial Software and Systems Private Limited, Bajaj Finance Limited, Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, MMRDA, and IDBI Bank Limited. Their continued association reflects our unwavering commitment to reliability, compliance, and consistent service excellence. At the heart of Clear Secured Services Limited stands a visionary leadership team. Mr. Vimaldhar Lalta Prasad Dubey, Chairman and Managing Director. Mr. Rakesh Dhar Dubey, Whole-Time Director. Mr. Sanjay Dubey, Promoter, and Mrs. Kusum Vimal Dubey, Executive Director. Leaders whose integrity, vision, and operational excellence continue to guide our journey forward. As part of our mission to build a smarter future, our wholly owned subsidiary, Comfort Techno Services Private Limited, or CTSPL, acts as our technology and automation arm. It offers AI-powered e-surveillance, IoT-based smart systems, and digital monitoring solutions for clients across banking and financial services, telecom, and infrastructure sectors. Together, we blend human expertise with intelligent systems, transforming conventional services into technology-driven solutions. 7 pillars of excellence. Security services. Safeguarding what matters. Security is the foundation of our services. We provide trained personnel, surveillance management, and access control systems to safeguard assets and ensure peace of mind for clients across industries. Housekeeping and cleaning. Creating spaces that inspire. Our housekeeping division ensures spotless, safe, and well-maintained environments for corporate, industrial, and institutional facilities, promoting hygiene, workplace, wellness, and productivity. Repair and maintenance, keeping operations moving. Our repair and maintenance teams manage electrical, mechanical, and plumbing systems, covering preventive and breakdown maintenance, facade cleaning, pest control, and asset longevity management. Infrastructure and interiors, building efficiency into every space. Through our total infrastructure solutions, we execute turnkey civil, electrical, and interior projects, including fire safety, design, and furniture installation, enhancing functionality and aesthetics. HR and staffing solutions, people powering progress. We provide verified, skilled manpower across sectors, supported by compliant payroll systems, workforce mobility, and continuous training that help businesses scale efficiently. Telecom infrastructure solutions, connecting networks, building reliability. In the telecom domain, we handle end-to-end tower setup from site surveys and soil testing to construction, electrical installation, and long-term maintenance for major network operators. Business support and allied services, enabling seamless operations. Beyond core facility and security services, we offer business support, payment management, and cash van solutions, ensuring operational continuity for BFSI and corporate clients nationwide. With every site we secure, every network we build, and every space we maintain, we continue to strengthen the backbone of India's service infrastructure, one partnership at a time. Clear Secured Services Limited. Integrated solutions. Trusted performance. Empowering India's workplaces every day.
Okay. So with that, now I would like to hand over the floor to Vimal sir so that he can tell us the journey of the company. Over to you, Vimal sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. माय नेम इज विमल दुबे. जैसे कि आपको पता ही है, ये बिजनेस हमने 2000 में स्टार्ट किया था एज ए प्रोप्राइटरी फर्म के साथ में, और स्लोली हमने ये बिजनेस डोर टू डोर जाके एक दूसरे को कन्विंस करके खुद मैन पावर ले जाके मैं काम करवाता था. इन बिटवीन मुझे HSBC का जो बड़ा बिल्डिंग है फाउंटेन में, उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मुझे मिला, और उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से फिर हमने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की, और वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का तकरीबन मेरा 2003 तक कंटिन्यू चल रहा था. इन बिटवीन हमने थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ अलग अलग वर्टिकल्स में हमने काम शुरू किया, जैसे कि लाइक ATM इंडस्ट्री में HSBC के कुछ नंबर्स ऑफ बैंक ATMs हुआ करते थे, और उसके साथ हम ये काम करते थे. फिर 2003 में एक मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी इंडिया में एंटर करती है जिसका नाम है यूरोनेट. यूरोनेट ने यहाँ पे IDBI बैंक का बिजनेस उठाया, और IDBI बैंक का बिजनेस लेके फिर IDBI का काम मैं पहले से कर रहा था, तो उसको यूरोनेट ने हमको साथ में ले लिया. मतलब मीन्स कि चलो, आप अगर IDBI के लिए सर्विस दे रहे हो तो आप हमारे लिए सर्विस कंटिन्यू करो. बट यूरोनेट इंडिया यहाँ मुंबई से निकल के वो पुणे गया, अहमदाबाद, हम जयपुर, दिल्ली, अक्रॉस कंट्री उसका जो नेटवर्क था हो गया. तो उस नेटवर्क के साथ साथ हमने भी अपना नेटवर्क वहां पे बड़ा कर दिया. इसी बीच में 2-3 कंपनीज और आ गई 2005 तक, जैसे NCR आ गया, डिबोल्ड आ गया, FSS, FIS, मल्टीपल प्लेयर्स आ गए 6-7-8 तक आते आते. सो मैं हाउस कीपिंग से RNM में कन्वर्ट किया. RNM से फिर मैंने पूरी साइट बिल्ड करने का काम शुरू किया. साइट बिल्ड करने के साथ साथ हमने सिक्योरिटी का काम भी शुरू कर दिया. तो 2009 में, फिर 8 में हमने 14 अक्टूबर 2008 को ये कंपनी हमने बनाई, क्लियर सिक्योर्ड सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. क्लियर सिक्योर्ड सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड बनाने के बाद फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2009 से हमने सिक्योरिटी का काम शुरू किया, जहां पे हमने पैसारा लाइसेंस लिया, और ये पैसारा लाइसेंस अप्रोक्सीमेटली आज के तारीख में मेरे पास 11 स्टेट का पसारा लाइसेंस है. और स्लोली हमने पसारा लाइसेंस लेने के बाद सब जगह, सारे स्टेट में जहां जहां पे हमारा पसारा लाइसेंस था, वहां पे हमने सिक्योरिटी का काम शुरू किया, RNM का काम, हाउस कीपिंग का काम, मल्टीपल सर्विसेज हमने, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का काम, ये हमने शुरू किया. ये काम अभी तक फिलहाल कंटिन्यू वैसी फ्लो में चल रहा है. इन बिटवीन 2017 में हमने कंफर्ट टेक्नो सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड करके एक फर्म तैयार की, जहां पे हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिक्योरिटी, ई सर्वेलेंस का बिजनेस हमने वहां पे शुरू किया. क्योंकि ATM इंडस्ट्री में और बाकी हर सब जगह आज मैन पावर, लोग हर कोई कॉस्ट रिड्यूस करना चाहता है, तो मैन पावर रिड्यूस करके और CCTV में कन्वर्ट होते हैं. CCTV, सो दैट्स व्हाई हमने ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया कि अगर मैन पावर का जहां से मेरा मैन पावर रिड्यूस होगा, वहां पे हम अपना सर्वेलेंस लगा लेंगे, और थ्रू सर्वेलेंस हम मॉनिटरिंग करेंगे. तो आज की तारीख में हमारे पास सर्वेलेंस का करीब 7,000 प्लस लाइव साइट्स है, और ऑन एन एवरेज तकरीबन तकरीबन 4,500 साइट्स का हमारे पास इन हैंड ऑर्डर है, जिसको मुझे ड्यूरिंग द ईयर नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर में हमको एग्जीक्यूट करके इसको फिनिश करना है। एज वेल फिर हमने एक बर्फी स्टील एलएलपी करके एक हमारी रोलिंग मिल है, जहाँ पे टीएमटी बार और चैनल्स एंगल बनते हैं, जो वहाँ के लोकल मार्केट में बनता है। ये यूपी के जौनपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हमारा सेटअप है पूरा। तो वो बिजनेस को मेरा छोटा भाई संजय दुबे, जो प्रमोटर है इस कंपनी में, वो चलाते हैं। और इसके बाद फिर हमने 2021 से, यानी कोविड के पीरियड से ही हमने गवर्नमेंट का टेंडर लेना शुरू किया। तो पहला पहला हमने, जब कोविड के टाइम पे एमएमआरडीए का एक बड़ा सा हॉस्पिटल बना था बीकेसी में, हमने वहां पे अपनी पूरी टीम को डिप्लॉय किया। अप्रोक्सीमेटली 200 प्लस लोगों को हमने 4 दिन में खड़ा किया, और वो पूरे हॉस्पिटल का काम हमने पूरे कोविड तक हमने मैनेज किया। इसी बीच में मेट्रो लाइन का टेंडर आया, उस टेंडर को हमने पार्टिसिपेट किया, हमने टेंडर का बिजनेस वहां से विन किया, और वो सिलसिला चलते रहा। आज की तारीख में मेरे पास एमएमआरडीए महाराष्ट्र से ही 200 करोड़ का बिजनेस है, अदर देन ओएनजीसी है, रेलवे है, और ग्रीन गैस है। तो मल्टीपल गवर्नमेंट क्लाइंट्स भी आज के तारीख में हमारी कंपनी के साथ जुड़ गए हैं। सो फ्यूचर में भी हमारा ये फ्लो ऐसे ही आगे जाने वाला है। ओवर टू यू।
Yeah. So, with that, now I would like to hand over the floor to the management to walk us through the presentation.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to the investor presentation of Clear Secure Service Limited. Today I will share our business model, industry opportunity, financial performance and key detail of our IPO. Indian facility management industry is growing very fast. The market is expected to be almost double by FY28 with about 14.6% growth every year. The main demand comes from bank, hospital, IT companies, transport and logistics, retail shops, and government organization. Asia, especially India and China, is one of the fastest growing region in the industry. Today, company need eco-friendly work, digital tool, and real-time monitoring in facility management. Next slide. The facility management market in India is growing fast. It was USD 18.4 billion in 2025 and is expected to reach USD 1.116.6 billion by 2030 with 7.46% yearly growth. Soft services make up 67% of the market and hard services are 33%. Cleanness services alone from 43.3 of soft services. Outsource FM is increasing and is expected to grow at 9.5% yearly till 2030. Healthcare is the fastest growing sector with over 10% yearly growth. Next slide, please. Private security industry, India private security industry is growing. The market will rise from USD 1.42 billion to USD 2.28 billion by 2029, growing about 10% every year. The industry is becoming more organized and is expected to be a 45-50% assured in the coming year. Major demands come from manufacturing, BFSI, telecom, IT, ITCS, hospitality, retail, and manufacturing. Next slide, please. Clear Secure Services Limited is a nation company providing facility and security services. We offer soft services, hard services, security solution, infrastructure support, telecom support, and business support. We operate in 15 states, 2 union territory, serving 117 clients with 4,000 plus employee. We have ISO certification and Pasara license in 11 states. Next slide, please. We started our journey in 2008 and have grown step by step. And we began with manpower services and later added telecom and FLM services, repair and maintenance, and security services. In 2025, we took a major steps by acquiring Comfort Techno Services, which strengthen our technology, surveillance, and automation capabilities. Next slide. We work in two major business segments. In integrated facility management includes soft service and hard service. Support service include infrastructure, telecom, e-service, and casual services. Next, in IFM, we provide housekeeping, pest control, facade cleaning, staffing, maintenance, and security services. These services help our client with smooth operation, safety, and hygienes. Next slide. In support services, we handle infrastructure solution, telecom setup, e-surveillance from our command center, and secure cash van services. This help us provide complete end-to-end solution to the client. Next slide. We work with a leading brand in BFSI, telecom, IT, and government, including Kotak Bank, IDBI, Bajaj Finance, Euronet, Indus Tower, Hitachi, MMRDA, and many clients have stayed with us for more than 5 years, showing trust, service equality. Next slide, please. We have a strong presence with 17 branches. We serve 271 customers as of August 25. Our HR and training team support skill and fast development. We maintain high client retention due to consistency services. Next slide. Our group structure. Our group has three entities: Comfort Techno Services, Technology and Surveillance, Clears Secure Venture Trading Business, Burfi Steel Manufacturing of Iron and Steel. Comfort Techno Services is our key strategic subsidiary. Next slide. CTSPL boost our digital and surveillance strength. They run 24 into 7 command center, offer AI video analytics, IoT monitoring, telecom projects, and banking equipment. With 377 plus staffs and 28 branches, CTSPL recorded 55 plus crore revenue and achieved 97% of footages success and 95% incident identification. Next slide, please. These are our leadership team, strong experience in facility management, security, technology, finance, and governance. They ensure clear, steady, and disciplined execution. Our managing director is Bimal Dubey, old-time director Rakesh Dubey, executive manager, executive director Kusum Dubey, Rajendra Prasad, Manish Naik, Mr. Kiran Rege, Apurva Mishra, Rasika Sawant. Please move next.
Next slide. Yeah, our key financial highlights are our total income annual growth is around 23 to 25%. EBITDA growth rate is around 46%, and our PAT growth is 20%. Next. Our CAGR is 24.45%, and EBITDA. Next slide. Yeah, our profit and loss account, we will explain. Our financials are financial 24. Our revenue was 347.54 crores. Financial year 25 was 476.17 crores, and August we closed 228.44 crores. Our EBITDA was 24.87 crores, 37.37 crores, 24.67%, which is 7.16% for 24, 25, 7.85%, and August 25, it was 10.8%. PAT margins are 12.08 crores, 9.92 crores, and 13.89 crores, which is 3.48%, 2.08%, and 6.08%. Next. Next. Next slide. Yeah. We will go to pro forma profit and loss statement here. Actually, we have our three, four segment associate companies. So for better understanding of our group, we are hereby giving the pro forma profit and loss account, in which we have included our company, that is Clear Secured Ventures Private Limited, Comfort Techno, Burfi Steel, and our parent company Clear Secured Services Limited. So Comfort is became a subsidiary of CSSL in April. So to understand the clear picture, we are just giving here the pro forma. So financial year 24, for our total group turnover was 395.28 crores, and financial year 25 was 525.22 crores. Our EBITDA was 32.93 in 24, which was 8.33, and in financial year 25 it is 48.53, 9.24. Our PAT was 17.88 crores, and 25 it was 17.22. So percentage wise it is 4.53 through to 3.28%. Next slide.
Next slide, please. Compared to peers like Aravi, Incom, IPS, and Capstone Services, we deliver competitive margin, higher ROC, and more diversified model. Next, please. Our strength: integrated services, pan-India operation, long client relationship, technology leadership by CTSPL, scalable business and financial model. Next slide, please. We plan to grow by adding more customer, strengthening recruitment and training, increasing service depth, using more technology and automation, growth through acquisition. These are our growth strategy. Investment: large growing industry, strong revenue growth, tech-led model, long client relationships, strong return. Next slide, please. Issue highlight: IPO open December 1st. IPO open on anchor investor bidding date is Friday, November 28. Issue open on Monday, December. Issue close Wednesday, December 3. Price band 125 to 132. Bid lot size 1000. Face value 10 rupees. IPO size number of share is 64 lakh 85,000. IPO size 81.06 crore to 85.60 crore. Fresh issue 81.606 crore to 85.60 crores. OPS nil. Post issue paid up share is 240,47112. Next slide, please. Objective of the issue: investment is we are going to invest 5.25 crore in our subsidiary company Comfort Techno Services, and 26 crore for working capital, repayment of borrowing of 35 crore, and general purpose 15%. Next slide, please. Issue of entities: book running lead manager Horizon, registered to the issue Big Share Private Limited, legal advisor MKNE, banker to the issue is Axis Bank, banker to the company Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, security auditor Karin Shah, market maker Choice, underwriter Choice Horizon, PR agency Kirin Advisory. Next slide, please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So thank you for the detailed presentation, sir. So we'll start with the Q&A session now. I request all the viewers to post your questions in the comment box. Okay, so we have our first question. The
Madhuri, may I
question,
explain?
hello, am I audible?
Yeah, tell.
Yes.
Please, the question.
So the first question is, what led to the improvement in EBITDA margins in August 25?
Yeah, August 25, our business model has little bit changed, and we have multiple services more into this. That includes our more business we are getting from e-surveillance, which is having a high profit margins. And of course, we have got some contracts awarded from the MMRDA, which is for the white collars. And in white collars, our margins are a little bit increased. Plus, we have contracts from for the TIS, that is total infrastructure business, from Reliance, which gives us the more margin as compared to manpower business.
Thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. The next question is from Miss Arundhati Kapila. She is asking how many customers did the company expand to in FY25?
In consolidated basis, the expand will be around, means as present it is 10 consol basis, but in 25 we are expecting around 10 to 18 customers.
Okay. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Anil Bhatt. He is asking how is the company leveraging market growth in sectors like BFSI, IT, retail, and infrastructure?
So basically, as Ashish has already explained, that we are into a e-surveillance business, and we are providing the manpower for the Bajaj, that is 220. Already we have a staffing for the IT purpose. Then retail, we are already started, as we said that we have started with MMRDA, and we have already starting with the new number of sectors. Infrastructure, we are already there, because we are providing the services to the Reliance for the infra business. So our target is, for the next 2 years, is to expand in various sectors, including hospitals and all. Reliance retail, we are already started business.
Thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Deepak Kulkarni. He's asking what is the most significant risk facing the business?
I don't think what business we are doing it. It will be a risk facing business, because as I have already said that we are not providing the services only for the manpower. Here, when we talk about the integrated facility management, our business model is little different. That we are providing multiple services under the one roof, and we are providing manpower, that is for blue collar, white collar, office staff, and all. We are providing for the repair and maintenance business. We are providing for the TIS business, telecom business under the one roof. So we are already have a diversified sectors which we are attempting. And as I said, our goal will be to achieve more and more sectors.
Okay, next question. The next question is from Miss Lavanya Balakrishnan. She's asking what growth expectations exists for Burfi Steel and how does it strategically connect to the core operations?
Vimalji?
Vimal sir, you're on mute, I think.
Mute कर
Okay, yes. बर्फी
Yes, sir,
स्टील
you're
में भी
audible.
ग्रोथ यस बर्फी स्टील में भी ग्रोथ एक्सपेक्टेड है और उसके लिए थोड़ा सा हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कि हम कनेक्टेड हैं थ्रू अभी तो फिलहाल मेरा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो लोकल मार्केट में ही सेल हो रहा है बट नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट बिजनेस फ्रॉम BSNL एंड अदर पावर ग्रिड सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू डेवलप फॉर दैट इंक्वायरी
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Amit Chaudhary. He's asking, how do you differentiate clear secured services from other players offering IFM and security services?
Okay, so we, as I earlier explained to you, that in IFM we are, when we talk about the IFM soft service and hard services, we are providing multiple services which we are different, because what happened, if we are providing the single services, and when client approach to us, we have diversified, and we never say no to our customer for any service, because we are providing multiple services. Plus the second is security services. We are having a 11 states pasara license, which is a great achievement or great moment for us, and already 5 we have applied for. So security services only we get when we have a pasara license.
Next question. The next question is from Mr. Ankit Sorodia. He's asking, what percentage of your revenue is recurring or contractual in nature, and what is the average contract tenure?
Okay, average contract tenure is 3 years, and normally we get extend for 1 year, but that is over and above of our contract. Say for example, we get 100 crores contract, that will be for 3 years, and if we get extended, that will be the extra. So normally, whatever the tendering we do, that is 3 plus 1 year with the extra revenue of 1 year. And the percentage what we are talking about, the contractual is around right now 40%.
Thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Raghav Datta. He's asking, with a wide portfolio including IFM, hard services, security, telecom, and business operations, which segment contributes the highest margins?
Yes,
Yes,
our RNM and TIS segment gives us the highest margin. That is hard. That is hard services. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. The next question is from Mr. Samar Dalal. He's asking, operations spread across various states and union territories. Which regions are showing the fastest growth?
It's UP, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Nowadays, we are growing our business in Gujarat also. So I would say Maharashtra, North, the UP, and Gujarat
Karnataka.
and Karnataka.
The next question is from Mr. Shankar Panchal. He's asking, we have around 117 active clients. So, what is the leverage length of client relationships, especially among BFSI and government segments?
Government sectors, we are working last 5 to 7 years, and other private customers, we are working more than 15 to 17 years.
Thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. The next question is from Miss Nisha Barod. She's asking, what share of total revenue and profitability comes from CTSPL compared to the other entities?
Uh, the share of from comfort, it's coming around, I would say it's 20 to 25%, and profitability is good in comfort, that is from e-surveillance business, is around pat margin is 10%.
Okay. Next question. Shreya Desai is asking, how does the presence of PSARA licenses across key states improve competitiveness in the private security space?
It's pasara license when we take, because to provide the security services, pasara license is must. That is a one compulsory thing that which we have to take. And if we don't have the pasara license, we don't get the entry, we cannot participate into the tender. So it is a barrier for us if we have to participate for the security services. So that is the reason it is a plus point for our company that we have a pasara license for 11, and we are already applied for the 5.
Thank you for answering that, ma'am. I would just like to introduce Mr. Rakesh Dhar Dubey, the whole-time director of the company. Welcome to the IPO meet, sir. Uh, we'll move on to the Q&A session. Next question. So, Mr. Sudeep Shastri is asking, how do you ensure workforce productivity and service quality consistency at scale?
Yeah, so our workforce productivity, we have a good employee policies which are helping us to retain them. So when we retain our employees, it's good for us to have a continuity of the services. And for housekeeping and security, we have a periodic training we give every day. Security and housekeeping, we take the morning briefing, which helps them to have a I can say to brush up every morning, and they go for quality service.
Thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. Vritesh Nair is asking, how does the revenue split between IFM and support services evolve over the last few years?
So IFM is around 65 to 60 to 65%, and support services are 30 to 35%.
Okay. Next question. Mr. Nishant Sharma is asking, who are the company's main peers in the facility management and manpower services industry?
We actually, as I earlier also explained, as such, we cannot compare ourselves with the integrated facility management, because we give the multiple types of services. But when we talk about the manpower business, we can consider with maybe Crystal, but they are also little up with us.
Next question. Ms. Rasika is asking, is CSVPL expected to remain part of the long-term portfolio or is it non-core?
Yes, we are going to be we are going to be do the trading business continue, because we have a good margin, and this business we are doing in another business, another company.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Mr. Shankar Verma is asking, what is the goal of your IPO and how much capital are you looking to raise?
Our goal of our size of the IPO is 85.60, and already explained by Ashish that our object is 5.25 crores in the capex of subsidiary, 26 crores in the working capital, and 35.50 crores will be the repayment of the debt.
Thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. Miss Dia Patel is asking, can you share your margin outlook and current order book size?
And
Our order book margins, PAT margins will be around 5 to 6% on an average.
Okay. Mr. Shantanu Oza is asking, what was the reason for setting up multiple entities instead of running everything under one company?
Vimalji, can you please answer?
यस, ऐसा था कि हाउस कीपिंग हम लोग पहले स्टार्टिंग में कंपनी में हम हाउस कीपिंग कर रहे थे, तो मेरे क्लाइंट जो हैं वो पुराने हैं, सालों साल पुराने हैं। सो एक बोलते हैं ना कि कंपनी के ऊपर एक सिंबल फिक्स हो जाता है, दिस इज द हाउस कीपिंग कंपनी। सो उनके जो इमेजिनेशन होता है ना, यार ये तो हाउस कीपिंग कंपनी है, इसके ज्यादा क्या सोच सकता है, कर सकता है। दैट्स वाई हमने प्लान किया कि नहीं, हम एक टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी अगर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, सो हम उसका एक नया नाम रखते हैं और नई कंपनी में वो बिजनेस उठाते हैं। दैट्स वाई हमने एक कंफर्ट टेक्नो सर्विसेज, कंफर्ट टेक्नो सॉफ्टवेयर सर्विस में है, सीडीएम मशीन में है, एज वेल सर्वेलेंस सिस्टम में है और स्टाफिंग में है। सो इसमें टोटली जो है टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड काम हम कर रहे हैं आज की तारीख में। दैट्स वाई ये डिफरेंशिएट हमने किया है, बट प्रमोटर्स आर द सेम, कस्टमर आर द सेम। सो बड़ा बिग चैलेंज कुछ नहीं है, बट परसेप्शन की बात है, दैट्स इट, बाकी कुछ नहीं है।
Okay, thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Mr. Raghav Datta is asking, with a strong presence in BFSI, telecom, and IT, ITES, how diversified is the client base across industries?
We are diversified in multiple segment. In if you talk about percentage wise, so in BFSI we are covering around 65 to 75%, and telecom 5%, and IT and all 10 to 15%.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Shreya Desai is asking, how does the e-surveillance and tech-enabled approach enhance service delivery for security and maintenance contracts?
So after forming Comfort Techno Services, we have developed multiple application for the clear secure services, which helping us to maintain day-to-day operation related to repair maintenance, infra, and e-surveillance is basically a part of ATM industry. Before we are into ATM industry, so it's Comfort Techno give very leverages to connect with the multiple client. This is the reason we have.
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Yash Mistry is asking, how aligned are the subsidiaries with the long-term core business vision?
Yeah, see, CSSL, anyway, we are into the manpower business, which is we are providing housekeeping and all and security services. Comfort is a tech security which we are taking part. So CSS and Comfort is very much is aligned with the business. And the other two subsidiaries, Burfi, which Vimalji has already explained that about the Burfi Steels, and Clear Secure Ventures, which is agro business. We have clear growth in that business.
Next question. Ms. Dia Patel is asking, how does the company plan to differentiate itself from peers and competitors? Could you highlight some qualitative factors that set it apart?
Hi Divya, I think I have already answered for this that we are providing the multiple services and we have many licenses with us. So thank you.
Next question. Ms. Sadhika Narang is asking, how do you plan to grow your business in the next few years?
Vimalji, please answer.
मैं एक्चुअली इसका प्लान है, फ्यूचर प्लानिंग जो है मैडम, तो मल्टीपल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो प्राइवेट क्लाइंट तो हम पिच कर ही रहे हैं, एज वेल हम गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में हमारा ज्यादा फोकस्ड है राइट नाउ। सो वी आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग सो मेनी टेंडर्स, और जो मेरा टेंडर विनिंग का जो रेशियो है, आउट ऑफ 10 3 टेंडर्स हम जीतते ही जीतते हैं। तो अभी फिलहाल राइट नाउ हमने 200 करोड़ प्लस का टेंडर को पार्टिसिपेट किया है, जो अपकमिंग डेज में ओपन होने वाला है। सो ये मेन फोकस है कि मैं कंपनी का 60-40 के रेशियो में मुझे ग्रो करना है। अप्रोक्सीमेटली 60% मेरा टारगेट होगा गवर्नमेंट गवर्नमेंट PSUs एंड 40% प्राइवेट मार्केट। ये मेरा फ्यूचर का प्लान है।
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Mr. Bimal Gandhi is asking, what is your plan to reduce debt and finance costs?
मैडम आप बता रहे हो इसको, मैं
Yeah, yeah,
बताऊं?
sure. आप बताइए विमल जी,
यस
बताइए।
यस यस यस। ये एक्चुअली प्लान जो हम ये कर रहे हैं उसी प्लान का एक पार्ट है। बिकॉज ऑफ कि हम बैंक जब टेंडर के बिजनेस में हैं हम, तो बहुत सारे हमको बैंक गारंटीज देने होते हैं। तो जो आज के तारीख में मेरा करंट वर्क जो कैपिटल का फ्लो है वो थोड़ा सा डाइवर्सिफाई हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ बीजी। सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 70 करोड़ का हमारा FD है। तो आप नेटान देखने जाएंगे तो मेरे कंपनी के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा डेट नहीं है। एज ए वर्किंग कैपिटल की बात करें तो मेरे पास सिर्फ 37 करोड़ का हमारा वर्किंग कैपिटल हमने मार्केट से लिया हुआ है। बैंक के साथ हमारा जो लिमिट हमने सेट किया है, अदर देन जो भी फंड्स है वो हमने बीजी के रूप में कन्वर्ट करके FD में कन्वर्ट करके रखा हुआ है। सो कंपनी के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा डेट नहीं है, नेट ऑफ है, एक तरह से देखा जाए तो नेट ऑफ है।
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Mr. Shankar Verma is asking, what is average working capital cycle for the company?
2 month प्लस 2 month प्लस। बिकॉज सैलरी पार्ट्स बहुत मेजरली है। सैलरी एज वेल कंप्लायंस GST ये सब मैंडेटरी है, बिफोर बिल सबमिशन करना पड़ता है। दैट्स वाई ये 2+ month का एवरेज आता ही है।
Okay. Next question. Mr. Devish Purohit is asking, what is the 3-year CAGR by segment and which segment drove absolute growth?
So our absolute growth is in the manpower business, that is integrated facility management, and it is around 23 to 24%.
CJR पूछ रहे हैं मैडम, तो 10 to 12% के रेट से ग्रोथ हो रहा है।
Okay. Thank you for
Yeah, yeah.
answering that, sir. Next question. Mr. Ankit Sarodia is asking, what if the company doesn't win or renew government contracts?
सर ऐसा नहीं होता है सर, मैंने आपका रेशियो बता दिया ना कि हम जो टेंडर का रेशियो है, 10 टेंडर हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो 3 तो हम जीतते ही हैं। और हमारी अपनी एक पॉलिसीज होती है टेंडर लेने के लिए कि टेंडर को, और सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न है कि टेंडर का परसेंटेज किस परसेंटेज में हम उसको लेना चाहते हैं। तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि हम पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे या विन नहीं होंगे, रेवेन्यू नहीं होगा, डेफिनेटली होगा।
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Shreya Desai is asking, revenue moving into agro-food trading could affect the company's operation in what ways?
नो नो नो, पूरा स्ट्रीम लाइन है मैडम, कोई चैलेंज नहीं है, क्योंकि वो एग्रो के बिजनेस मुझे वन टाइम इन्फ्यूज करना था फंड, अब वो साइकिल में है। सो वहां पे नो नीड टू फंड।
Next question. Mr. Nikunj Patil is asking, short-term loans and advances jumped to 5,264 lakh in August 25. What is the reason behind this rise?
नहीं नहीं, ये टोटल कंसोल लेवल पे है। एज वेल मैंने आपको बताया सर कि जो टेंडर का बिजनेस हम कर रहे हैं ना, तो पहले तो टेंडर पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए मुझे अर्नेस्ट मनी जमा करना होता, तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली तकरीबन अगर मैं आज के तारीख में बताऊं तो 7 से 8 करोड़ रुपया तो मेरा अर्नेस्ट मनी बैंक के अपना क्लाइंट के टेंडर के इसमें फी पड़ा हुआ है। और टेंडर जीतने के बाद वो कन्वर्ट करते हैं FD में, देन हम उसको देते हैं। तो ये सर्कल ऐसे ही चलता रहता है। दैट्स वाई ये, क्योंकि अगर हम इसके पहले अगर हम टेंडर पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते तो ये प्रेशर हमारे ऊपर नहीं था।
Okay. Next question. Mr. Devish Purohit is asking if your ROCE is around 23% in FY25, why use 35.5 crores of IPO money to repay debt instead of reinvesting in a business?
This is because we wanted to release our 35.5 crores as loan that we will use for the as Vimalji has explained that every time when we participate into the tender we have to pay the EMD as well as the bank guarantees. So to have a flow of the fund, we will release this and we will able to participate into the more tenders. Sorry.
Thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. Ms. Dia Patel is asking revenue mix between high and low margin segments could enhance profitability. How?
Yes, because as I explained earlier, we have a combination of the services which has a different margins. So composite profitability will enhance.
Okay. Next question. Mr. Yash Mistry is asking how does the company maintain timely operations and stable costs with its vendors?
Vimal ji.
नहीं 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 सर, क्या होता है ना, इसमें टाइम टू टाइम अगर मैं बात करूं, गवर्नमेंट टेंडर की बात करूं, तो उसमें क्या होता है, एवरी 6 मंथ में एनहांसमेंट आता है जो कि मुझे ग्राउंड में पास ऑन करते हैं हम लोग। और जो भी हमारे एक वन टाइम जो हमारा बाकी अदर एक्सपेंसेस होता है वो कांस्टेंट होता है, उसी बेस पे हम लोग भी सामने जैसे हमारे पास आता है सामने भी हम उसी तरह से डील करते हैं इसको कंटिन्यू करने के लिए। सो ये अभी तक का जो मेरा पास एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, कहीं ऐसे चैलेंजेस हमको फेस नहीं करना पड़ा है।
Thank you for answering that, sir. Next question. Mr. Devish Purohit is asking, given dependency on staff, what is your annual attrition and how much does each 10% attrition spike impact EBITDA margins?
Our attrition rate is around 15 to 17%, and we are not in, any much affecting on the EBITDA.
Okay, thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question. Mr. Sudeep Shastri is asking, how does the company's service model boost customer retention and acquisition?
As already explained by Ashish and Vimalji that our quality of the service to our various customers and our communication and coordination with our customers help us to boost the customer and retain the customer. And as earlier I have explained that all the major our customers which we are dealing with, that is more we have a contact with them for more than 18 to 20 years.
Okay, thank you for answering that, ma'am. Next question.
थैंक यू
Anil
अनिल
Bhatt
जी।
says, all the best for your IPO.
थैंक यू
Yeah.
सो मच मैम।
Miss
Thanks a lot,
Arundhati
everyone.
wishes. Yeah, I think we have covered most of the questions. So, thank you, everyone, and all the best for your IPO.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thanks, everyone.